Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today we learn alphabets A to Z. Kids colors name red color, red color, yellow color, yellow color, blue color, blue color, black color, black color, green color, green color, yellow ochre color, yellow ochre color. Kids now coloring alphabets A to Z. Kids first draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use red color, red color. Kids again use red color and draw B. B for ball, B for bat. The alphabets of B. And again use red color, red color. Kids now draw C. C for cat and C for car. The alphabets of C. And use yellow color, yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw D. D for dog, D for doll. The alphabets of D. Kids now draw E. E for egg, E for elephant. The alphabets of E. And use blue color, blue color. F. F for fish, F for fan. And again use blue color. G. G for guard, G for glass. The alphabets of G. And again use blue color, blue color. Kids now draw H. H for hand, H for helicopter. The alphabets of H. And use black color, black color. I. I for ice, I for ice cream. The alphabets of I. Kids now draw J. J for joker, J for jackfruit. The alphabets of J. And use green color, green color. K. K for kite, K for king. And again use green color, green color. Kids now draw L. L for lion. The alphabets of L. Kids now draw L. And use yellow ochre color, yellow ochre color. M. M for moon. And again use yellow ochre color, yellow ochre color. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw N. N for nose, N for nest. The alphabets of N. Kids Nidra O. O for orange. O for octopus. The alphabets of O. And use red color. Red color. P. P for parrot. P for penguin. And again use red color. Kids Nidra Q. Q for queen. The alphabets of Q. And use yellow color. Yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw R. R for rose. The alphabets of R. Kids Nidra S. S for sun. The alphabets of S. And use blue color. Blue color. T. T for teacher. T for tiger. U. U for umbrella. Kids Nidra V. V for van. V for vanilla. And use black color. Black color. W. W for wolf. And again use black color. Kids Nidra Y. Y for yak. And use yellow ochre color. Yellow ochre color. Y. Y for yak. Z. Z for zebra. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.